Ever wondered how to make authentic Mexican tacos at home? The secret lies in the fresh and vibrant ingredients that make up this beloved dish. First, we have corn tortillas, the foundation of every taco. Next, our protein, beef or chicken, or for our vegetarian friends, beans or grilled vegetables. Now let's talk about the accompaniments that will make your tacos pop with flavor. We've got onions and cilantro, both essential for that fresh, herbaceous kick. And don't forget the limes, their zesty squeeze will brighten up every bite. Of course, we can't overlook the importance of a little seasoning. A sprinkle of salt will do the trick. Last but certainly not least, we have salsa. Whether you like it spicy or mild, it's the final flavor-packed flourish that brings everything together. With these ingredients, you're already halfway to creating a fiesta in your kitchen. Now it's time to marinate our protein. Whether you're using beef, chicken, or opting for a vegetarian delight, this step is all about infusion. Begin by laying out your protein of choice. Then, generously coat it with your favorite spices. Think cumin, chili powder, garlic, or even a bit of oregano. Remember, these spices are not just for taste. They're a passport to the heart of Mexican cuisine. Now, here's a little secret. Let your protein sit, allow it to soak up the flavors. Patience is key here. The longer you let it marinate, the more flavorful your protein will be. This could be anywhere from an hour to overnight. Just imagine all those spices slowly seeping into every fiber, every grain. With our protein marinated, we're ready to move on to the next step. Remember, a great taco is all about that harmony of flavors, and this, my friends, is where it all begins. Now that our protein is marinated, let's cook it to perfection. Whether it's beef, chicken, beans, or grilled vegetables, the process is similar. We're aiming for that perfect balance of tenderness and flavor. If you're cooking meat, you want it to be juicy and succulent. If it's beans or vegetables, you're looking for them to be soft but with a bite. This is the stage where the spices we marinated our protein with really get to shine. They infuse the protein, creating a symphony of flavors that's truly irresistible. Remember, the secret to great cooking is patience. Don't rush this step. Let the heat do its magic. Allow the protein to cook evenly and absorb all those beautiful flavors. And listen to that sizzle. It's not just a sound, it's a melody in the kitchen that signals something delicious is on the way. There we have it. Our protein is cooked and ready to be the star of our tacos. Moving on to our tortillas. It's time to get them nice and warm. Now you might be wondering, why warm the tortillas? Well, warming tortillas is an essential step in making tacos. It not only brings out the delectable corn flavor, but also gives them a softer, more pliable texture that makes them easier to fold around the taco fillings. So how do we do it? Simply place the tortillas on a hot pan or griddle. No oil, no butter, just a dry pan. You're going to heat each side for about 20 to 30 seconds until they're warm and slightly toasty. You'll know they're ready when they start to puff up a bit. Now remember, you don't want them too crispy. We're not making tostadas here. We're aiming for that perfect balance. Soft enough to fold, yet firm enough to hold all the deliciousness we're about to pile in. With our tortillas warmed, we're ready to start assembling our tacos. Now comes the fun part, assembling our tacos. This is where all the elements we've lovingly prepared come together to form the delicious ensemble we know and love as the taco. Let's start with our tortillas. Lay them flat and ready to receive the mouth-watering toppings. First, we add our protein. Whether it's juicy beef, tender chicken, or your choice of grilled vegetables or beans, this is the star of our show. Layer it generously onto the tortilla, letting the spices and flavors take center stage. Next, we move on to our fresh toppings. Sprinkle those chopped onions for a burst of pungent sweetness that complements the savory protein beautifully. The cilantro, with its unique citrusy undertones, adds that much-needed freshness and vibrancy. Remember, these aren't just toppings, they are key flavor builders that are integral to the authentic taco experience. Now, for the finishing touch, a squeeze of lime. This citrusy delight does more than just lend a tangy note. It brings together the flavors, amplifies them, and adds that extra zing that makes your taco truly sing. Don't be shy with it, give that lime a good squeeze. As we assemble our tacos, it's important to remember that every layer counts. The order in which we stack our ingredients isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a harmonious balance of flavors and textures in every bite. That's the beauty of tacos, they're a symphony of tastes contained in a handheld delight. And there you have it, your very own homemade authentic Mexican tacos. Look at them, bursting with colors and flavors just waiting to be devoured. But wait, we're not done just yet. Stay tuned for our final touch, the crowning glory of our taco masterpiece. For now, take a moment to admire your creation. After all, Good food is not just about taste, it's also a feast for the eyes. Now that we've assembled our tacos, let's take a moment to admire our culinary creation. From the vibrant colors of our fresh ingredients to the tantalizing aroma wafting from the plate, we've truly brought a piece of Mexico into our kitchen. We started with showcasing our ingredients, each one chosen for its role in creating this culinary symphony. We then prepped and cooked our protein of choice, letting the spices infuse into every fiber. Warming our tortillas was next, creating the perfect canvas for our flavorsome fillings. And then, the assembly, where we layered our cooked protein, fresh onions and cilantro, topping it off with a squeeze of lime. It's been a journey of flavor, a gastronomic expedition. Thank you for joining in the fun of making authentic Mexican tacos. Until next time, keep exploring the world of flavors right from your kitchen.